comes with a automatic water dispenser and ice maker. The system runs inside, so it doesn't occupy space here. Most of the fridge will occupy a lot of water space storage here, but this one there's a piping inside. Don't know how it goes in and comes out here. You'll see. Bottom is also 2-door. This is where the auto ice maker, the ice will come out from. And then there's a lot of compartment, 2, 4, 5 actually. And this part here you can actually set as a normal fridge. So this one continues to become the freezer. The left side here becomes a fridge like the one on top. Okay. Only comes in this metallic black color. There's no other colors in Singapore.